In this video, we will explore the feature of GCP sole tenant node selection while creating a Workspot desktop pool. First, go to the control panel and click on Add Cloud Desktop Pool. Select the Cloud Config, Template, Region, and Subnet. When you select the VM class, a pop-up message will appear at the top, informing you that the pool VMs will be hosted on dedicated sole tenant nodes for Microsoft Bring Your Own licensing. Choose the appropriate sole tenant node type to create the pool VMs. Here, we have two node types to choose from, N2 node 8640 and N2 node 128864. Admins need to make an informed decision when selecting the sole tenant node type, considering factors like the pool use case and the number of desktops that will be deployed in the pool. Note that once a pool is created with a specific sole tenant node type, it cannot be edited or changed later. The N2 node 128864 is a larger sole tenant node offered by GCP and will incur higher compute billing costs compared to the N2 node 8640 sole tenant node. Currently, not all sole tenant node types like C3 nodes, G2 nodes, etc. offered by GCP are available in Control. Workspot will be adding more sole tenant node types to the product catalog in the future based on customer requests. For this example, I am selecting the N2 node 128864 sole tenant node type for this pool. Fill out the rest of the form for the desktop pool and then click Create. Next, let's create a second pool with the 8640 sole tenant node. We'll fast forward the video until both pool VMs are ready. As you can see, the first pool VM is created on the sole tenant node with the 128864 node type in GCP. And the second pool VM is created on the sole tenant node with the 8640 node type. Thank you for watching.